Hello everyone, my name is Shogun Adebayo. I'm the Technical Sales Advisor at Carbon Cleaning Nigeria. We promised you excellent content related to how our product will greatly improve your overall engine life. Today, we'll be talking about our first on the list, which is the GLM engine oil flush. The GLM engine oil flush is an oil-based product and is compatible with all mineral, semi-synthetic and fully synthetic motor oils. The GLM engine oil flush will eliminate gum, varnish, sludge, and also remove other contamination like carbon deposits, soot, water, and fuel residuals. If you take a lot of short trips or you are most times stuck in traffic, you need our GLM engine oil flush because moisture that built up in the oil during the previous rest period won't have time to evaporate and leave the oil. This eventually forms sludge. If you live in hot and dusty environments, you need our GLM engine oil flush because dust can easily get inside the engine and sludge is formed in that process. Also, if you don't change your oil as often as you should, that too can lead to oil sludge formation. The effective additives in GLM engine oil flush dissolve old oil remnants and accumulated dirt in the engine. Engine oil flush pro cleans the lubrication system and essential components such as cylinder walls, pistons, piston rings, valves, valve guards, and the combustion chamber. The engine noise reduces because the moving parts of the engine are cleaned thoroughly. GLM engine oil flush pro is suitable for all diesel, petrol, LPG/CNG and stationary engines. In addition to cleaning, engine oil flush pro provides extra protection to the engine and internal components. It's very simple to use. When the engine is at operating temperature, add the contents of 1 bottle to the engine oil before the oil change. Let the engine run for 15 minutes. For a better cleaning result, rev the engine at times within these 15 minutes. Drain the oil from the crankcase. Replace the oil filter. Add the new engine oil according to the vehicle specification. GLM engine oil flush pro can be mixed with all mineral, synthetic, monograde and multigrade oil types. 1 bottle of 250ml treats 4 to 6 liters of motor oil. You should note that there is a caveat about using an engine flush on vehicles with high mileage. In this case, the seals in the engine may be worn and leaking, but they are being held together with a combination of oil and sludge, essentially keeping them viable and masking their true condition. For this kind of engine issues, it's actually recommended not to use an engine oil flush immediately, as there might be some underlying issues you are not aware of. You would find it best to take it to your mechanic to inspect the vehicle so as to confirm if the seals are good, or just leave it alone. The sludge may be the only real barrier keeping oil from leaking past the seals in the older engine. Meanwhile, we have other products like our GLM oil stop leak or GLM stop smoke oil that can help tackle these seal issues. We will discuss this product later on. Thank you for listening. From our team here at Carbon Cleaning Nigeria, do have a lovely day.